mwanchu muligeria o INKA TV kubwatekana amono roboti rwanyero gutwikira indolinga angechinsa inye chili tukolia lero nigo omunyanyimbo oyomo uyokulinda ase urusa yirwe bengi ya Kenya Cooperative Panga ime county ya Kisii anyaraga kubotoka chimbunde ichanene chanyachi kumutigera chingo mwachimbe omunyanyimbo oyomo uyubakulinda nere ase nsemeyu ase okugurukwaye gokobe no nabo nigo omulindionde uyu nene okora amune kambani ya Mong'ina eranyara gutirwa chingo mwachimbe asokobo kwaye gokobe ekibonega agendete kuronera nakugwenia asinya gitali Nanigo omo OCBD bwegeta sini kiwa nyimbo ya Kisii Central awiyo manyikantebu Amos ambasa anyarega kwenekea kolekeiga asanene anyara otebuna nigo kolekeiga gyanarega kolekana chinsa inyine chidaika nkego ichabono mwambia
around 10-15 was at a cooperative bank within Kisii town along Hospital Road when one officer who was manning Kenya Commercial Bank branch reported through a phone call to the deputy OCS that there was a shooting incident at Cooperative Bank. The SIPU officers, the critical infrastructure unit officer, who were on bank escort duties, discharged 3 rounds of ammunition, that is ammunitions, from a firearm which he was armed with. The discharged ammunition, after hitting the one SIPO officer who was a colleague to the officer who is accused of discharging the ammunition, it hit his left leg below the knee. The ammunition went through and hit the wall, after which it ricocheted and found another Bob Morgan security officer who is also attached together with the SIPO officers on bank escort duties. With him, he had bruises on his left hand at the back of his palm, while the officer who was hit on the left leg only had that injury.
Ayangati yali mwanchu muligeria o INKA TV nyandete kwaliganira masemu ayunda chokwaria asinchira yubwagareke guchukoroga chinsa 10 cyabono marogoba yenda gutwara obotegerero buya ime TV ya chirenkuma imene isko yagusi asogosemia ogocengia nabo kubeka angina Kristo Eliane Lucas Mugaka.